How to sync your FordPass app with your Ford vehicle.
To begin, visit either Google Play or the Apple App Store and search for the FordPass app.
Once the download is complete, launch the FordPass app and follow the registration steps provided. Now, you can create an account by using your email and setting up a new password. You will receive a verification code via email shortly. Once the code has been entered, we can proceed with creating the account. Enter your first name and last name. And pick a password easy to remember. Please remember to accept the FordPass terms and conditions, along with the privacy and cookie policy, before proceeding. Skip this step if you don't want to create a passkey. Enabling notifications is also crucial. Select Yes to marketing options. Now we are adding your car to the app. Scan the VIN available on the car driver's door. Allow Ford to access your camera. The code is easily accessible. Just step down from the driver's seat and look at the door frame. After scanning the VIN number, select Connect to Vehicle. While seated in your car, start the engine and confirm on the app that your car has been started. Now that after your car has been identified, you can click on Connect to Vehicle and click on Continue to Connect. Now activate FordPass. Confirm connectivity enabled. Please be patient as you follow the instructions displayed on the screen. Now, select Yes to enable FordPass connected services. Congratulations, you're now linked to FordPass.
Look down at the bottom right corner and tap the service spanner icon. This opens up your vehicle details. Scroll down until you see Preferred Dealer. Search for and select Finlay Ford Nace as your preferred dealer. By setting us as your primary dealer, any online service bookings you make in the future will route straight through to our team at Finlay Ford.